What's up, guys? It's your man, the Bad Wolf. All right, so check it out. I got one of these automatic mowers that uses that little black pole over there as a GPS locator. You do not have to put any yard wiring down. You program the outskirts of it, and then you map the don't go zones, and it has a avoidance feature. So let's just check this out for a moment. Runs virtually quiet. You can program when you want it to. Now right now it's getting close to the no-go zone, so that's why it stopped. Now it's turning around and trying to do some laps. So let's say it should go right across. Okay, it's getting to the edge of the no-go zone. Okay, not bad. Now, the only thing I will say that I don't like about it, or that's weird to me, is that, like, it's got tiny blades, and you have to replace them every so often, so that kind of sucks. I mean, it doesn't sound like it's every, like, maybe once a season or something like that, so I guess it's not too bad. But it only lets you leave the grass up to the height of about 3.2 inches. I don't really like my grass that low, but I mean, and I'm only having it do the main yard. I'm not having it weave in and out of my plants because I think that's just too much to bother with, at least for right now. As I get more comfortable with it, I might remap it and see what it does. But let's check it out, and then that'll be it. Technology. You can, but it has a program that it does once you lay the line, the yard line, does it all by itself. I just finished doing the line. Now it's doing it automatically. It's kind of neat. Yeah, I just picked up one of those. I love gadgets. Take care. Yes. All right. So as you heard, I was just talking with one of the neighbors and their people, and they're already like, okay, that's weird, but cool. So that's it, guys. I will give you guys updates on the EcoFlow. You can get these off of Amazon. And if you have a yard... Oh, okay, so another thing I will say is that over here, I had the EcoFlow set up. So before you set it up, what I would highly suggest is that you put it on the southeast facing side of your house, because if you have a taller house like I have, the satellite signal for it doesn't do a really good job with the EcoFlow on the northwestern side of the house. So that's about it, guys. Other than that, I will keep you guys updated on how it does and see how it mows. We'll go from there. So talk to you guys later.